So Alani and I are headed to camp for the weekend, just like we did last weekend, except this time with the girls. So Alani and I are going to go get set up at a friend's property next to a little lake, and then Zoe and Tiff will join us a little later. All right, we're all set up. Got the OBS 270 awning up. Makes a nice big room here. Got Alani some pizza rolls going. So we're going to chill here until Tiff and Zoe get here, and see how the rest of the night goes. So I'm not getting a lot of recording done tonight, mostly because my phone and other devices are being used, but I do have the fight going on. Who do y'all think is going to win? I think it's going to be Mike, but I guess we'll see. I mean, I'll post this video after the fact, so I could be wrong, but go Mike. Well, good morning. Got my coffee ready, so we're gonna have some breakfast, get the day started, see what happens. It's nice just to sit out here and listen to the animals and watch nature, see the fish swimming in the lake. It's peaceful.
They're doing the weights. I win.
All right, we're out on the boat on the little lake here, checking out the ducks and the water, and we might even do a little bit of fishing. So for dinner tonight, we're gonna have pizza for the kids, and we're going to make carne asada or some tacos anyway. Should be good. Well, dinner was good, but now it's time to watch some football. I'm waiting around for the dogs to play, so let's hope they win. Go Dogs! So, broke the TV outside and knocking it off the side of the camper. Oh well. So now we're inside watching the football game. Go Dogs! It's 17-24 in the third quarter, so we'll see what happens. Go Dogs! You can't really beat a nice breakfast by the lake in the morning. All right, we're all piled in the camper now, about to watch church. So happy Sunday, everyone. I, again, broke the TV last night, so we can't sit outside where it's nice and cool. So here we are. the spider about killed us all. Couldn't get a good picture of it, so maybe I'll be able to put one as a still shot in the video. I don't know. But Alani survived and we all about died. Look, she caught one. Good job. All right.
It's scary.
See how I'm holding it? Nope, nope. Put your finger in its mouth. Use your, yeah. Smile. Look at me. Say cheese. So a huge thanks to Jim and Andrea for letting us camp on their property. It was an amazing weekend, nice and peaceful. Got some fishing in, caught some fish. I think it was Alani's first catch, so that's a big deal. But we had a great couple of nights in our ROG, and if you enjoyed this, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. We'll see you next time.